Hello everyone. We all know what the cereals are, but do you know what the pseudo cereals? So let's talk about the difference between the cereals and the pseudo cereals. Cereals and the pseudo cereals both are starchy food. They have a high content of the starch. The basic difference between the cereals and the pseudo cereals are cereals belongs to the grasses family. They are the grasses. They belongs to the family Poaceae, or we also called as the family Gramineae, while pseudo cereals doesn't belong to the grass family. They are botanically different. It includes the various type of plants like quinoa, buckwheat, amaranthus, which are not the grasses. Of cereals are Poaceae, that is the grass family. Various examples of the cereals are wheat, rice, barley, oats, maize, sorghum, millet. The seeds are starch rich and the starch is stored in the endosperm part of the seed. The nutritional value of the cereals are they have a high content of the carbohydrate, protein, fiber. Now let's talk about pseudo cereals. So pseudo cereals are also called as the false grains. They do not belong to the grasses family. They might be a dicotyledon. Examples of pseudo cereals are quinoa, buckwheat, chia seeds. They are also having a starch rich content, but their starch is not stored in endosperm. Instead, they are stored in perisperm, the outermost covering of the seed. For getting more such informative videos, like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.